Hello everybody, Jim Fleeler, Vice President of Brand Development and Training at Charlotte Products. Thanks for joining us here today. We're very excited about launching a brand new innovative floor care program that's specifically designed for sensitive floor surfaces. These are surfaces such as LVT, which is luxury vinyl tile, LVP, which is luxury vinyl plank, VCT as well, so these can be used on vinyl composite tiles, laminate, rubber, linoleum, marmoleum, those floors that really are more sensitive and don't respond to traditional aggressive cleaners and strippers and high solids floor finishes. So what you basically happen is you'll put down a high solids floor finish on these surfaces. It gets dirty, you go to deep strip it, and you use an aggressive stripper and it burns it, it discolors it. You go to use a top scrub, deep scrub type stripper, it only takes one or two coats off, but the dirt's embedded down below that, and you end up, recoating over floors, getting a really dirty, shiny floor in the response. So we've designed a specific program for those specific sensitive surfaces. And what we do know is floor care is the majority of a budget spend. In fact, it can be about 67% of a particular facility there. So we're really trying to help you reduce costs, become more sustainable, lower the risk of complaints in buildings with sensitivities and respiratory issues and eye sensitivities and things like that. And we've got a program here for you that's amazing. So I'll just take a minute or so and explain what it is. We have a daily surface cleaner, like a neutral cleaner, but different surfactants, so it actually is safer for these sensitive surfaces. It will not burn in any way. It's got the right detergency to remove that grit and grime and things like that, and it's 1 ounce per gallon. It's very, very economical. Then we have an amazing product, which is our rejuvenating gloss restore. So this at 2 ounces per gallon, you mop on the floor or you auto scrub, it will clean the floor, remove those soils and dirt and debris. It actually has a sheen additive, so it'll start to rebuild your gloss to a certain degree. And then it has a traction additive that will instantly, as soon as it's dry, increase the foot traction by about 25% or so. So what does that mean? If you have a complaint in a building, the children, the seniors, any number of the population that say it's very slippery, that'll instantly do that all in one labor-saving step. So that is something, and by the way, I would recommend an application of that about once a week in a typical high-traffic building. Not every day. You would use your daily surface cleaner, for that. Then our third product, Top Scrub Stripper. Okay, and that's a very safe scrub product. That is 2 ounces per gallon. Mop on, 2 minutes, blue pad scrub, a pickup, a water rinse, and then apply a couple of top coats of finish. Very, very safe. Specifically, you have to follow the directions, so don't add 8 ounces or 10 ounces or whatever. It's 2 ounces and it'll do the job, and it won't have any kind of negative situation or any kind of negative outcome on your floor whatsoever. Then we have a matte floor finish. First time ever in the 45 years that I've been around that we've got an official matte finish. This would gives you the protection of these sensitive surfaces, but it won't give you that extreme wet look gloss, right? So if you're looking for the protection, but you don't want to intimidate the seniors in the building, the children in the building, anybody who thinks shiny floors are a slip hazard, this really is a matte finish. And in some buildings, gloss is going away, and some they want just a clean sheen, low sheen. That's your finish of choice. And then we have our last product is our satin floor finish. This will actually be a higher gloss level than our matte, obviously. We recommend 1, 2, 3 coats on here, thin to medium coats, not 6 or 7 coats. What you will find is this is a very low odor, a very fast drying product. So your downtime in rooms and hallways and areas of your facilities, that problem actually generally goes away. These will dry in about 15 minutes or so, depending on heat and humidity and air circulation at a low odor. So, that's a big plus in your buildings, right? We have all of your marketing material that's available at charlotteproducts.com. Brief brochures. We have the whole entire explanation brochure there. This is really, and in floor finish, there's the 5 critical elements of floor finish. and then for this here is 4 critical elements of floor finish, taking one labor step away, removing the need to do that deep stripping, complete restorative program that is oh so labor intensive. So again, and this is coming out in April of 2025, by the way. So depending on when you're viewing this video, this is something that is turnkey, ready to go. Another innovative product from Charlotte. Basically, it's and if you wanted to actually take a little peek here, okay, there's a bare tile, okay, that you've got there, okay. Then you can take. This is with the Rejuvenator. So on this side here, it's 1 coat, and this is 2 coats. So you can see the sheen enhancement and the detergency that's there. And I'll just sort of flick it depending on the angle that you're viewing from. This is our matte floor finish. Now this is about 2 coats here, fairly thin, that you've got here. And if you want even less gloss, then put on 1 less coat. And then this is our satin, which you can actually see it's got a fairly nice gloss. These are thin to medium coats, depending on how you look at it here. But I mean, the results are really depending on what you want it to be. So I mean, amazing differences between between matte and satin and the Rejuvenator and things like that. So again, just one example of innovation at Charlotte Products. Easy to train, easy to sell, easy to buy, okay, for anybody in the business whatsoever. And enjoy the day and stay safe, and thanks for listening.